Oh my god, this place looks good. Oh, that's what I wanted, guys. Please welcome to my channel. Remember, if you're new, to subscribe for more amazing travel content. So today I'm at Tigoni. It's not far away from Nairobi. It's about like with traffic it's about like 2 hours, but when like a smooth ride it's like about 1 hour. I'm with my friends. They're over there taking some photos. I hope you guys like we going to have a good day today. We're going to visit some dope places and also show you some amazing things and also cost-saving things on coming to this place. The hike has started now. So we're going down to the waterfall. Here, my friends. Hey, you people, talk to my fans. You people, talk to my fans. Say your name.
Hi, I'm Kamonyu.
What's up? Dan Misha.
Huh?
Are you?
Eros.
Eros. We are in Tigoni. We are going to have fun, you know. But the bad thing is that this guy told me to carry
I need to be cold.
So I carried a duvet knowing this place is dry. Now see, I'm carrying it in my hands instead of putting it on.
How did I get to this place? So from Nairobi CBD, I got a matatu at Khoja to Limuru, which cost me 150 Kenya shillings. Then from Limuru, I got another one to Tigoni, which cost 70 bob Kenya shillings. Then from the place we alighted, the second matatu, it was about like 3 kilometers. So me and my friends, we decided to take another taxi, which cost us, we paid Kenya shillings 300. Then we got here, so we're hiking. At the gate we paid 400 Kenya shillings. I'm not sure whether the foreigners also pay the same amount, but I'll also ask and tell you by the end of this vlog, guys. Now this is the way down to the waterfall. I don't know whether you guys can hear the sound of the waterfall. So here's my best friend. Him too is vlogging.
Yeah. It's a nice place, as you can see.
Going down. Oh my god, this place looks good. Oh, this is what I wanted, guys. Oh yeah. Eric.
Yay! You're having fun! You're having fun! We're having fun!
Yeah,
We're having fun!
Yeah, you're playing love. These are nice. You're playing for you. That has been so much fun, guys. So next place we're going is Thayu farmhouse and some vintage Anglican church, and then we go to the Buxton tunnel. This is such an amazing place to be at. This is Limuru. We are at a tea farm. So after the waterfall, we went to some tea farm around the place where we were, and then we called the cab guy to come take us to Thayu farm. This is Thayu farm. It's also in Limuru. That's where we're having our lunch as we chill a little bit and then go back home. So one of our places that we're supposed to go is Buxton Tunnel. We're told that it's not a safe place, so we decided to cancel it out. Maybe we'll go next time. Maybe we're with more friends than today. Yeah, we've been having a lot of fun today. Welcome to the room.